What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Luis, and on today's video guys, we're going to be installing a brand new rear spoiler that I got for the Mustang. And I'm actually pretty excited because I need about 3 more exterior mods for the Mustang, and that should be pretty much it for the exterior. But other than that, let me show you all the brand new spoiler that I got for the 5.0. Alright guys, so this is the package. I got it from American Muscle, and the brand is MP Concepts. So let me get this blade real quick and show y'all which one I got. Oh yeah. Look at this, right? Oh yeah. Nice. So guys, as you can tell, it's the GT500 style spoiler. There was other few choices that I could have gone with. There was a Worker Bill V3 spoiler. There was the MMD downforce aluminum spoiler, and the California Special spoiler as well. But this one kind of stood out best to me, so I went with this one. And I also got it in gloss black because if I color matched it, it would have cost a little bit more. And besides, I'm going for like green and black looks, so I decided to go with this one. Let me give you guys a little close look. Better look actually. This is what it looks like. Looks nice actually. I kind of got it dirty right there a bit, but it came well packaged, and it actually doesn't have any dents, and it doesn't have any like scratches at all. So I'm gonna head outside and get this install started. All right guys, so I went ahead and got everything I needed, from alcohol, tools, double-sided tape, and the screws. Those came with the package, and the heat gun as well. So what I'm gonna do guys is just pull in the Mustang in reverse and pretty much explain how to install this wing. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and pull in the Mustang and get started. have it, guys. It's completely done. I gotta say the trickiest part is trying to remove the old spoiler and the adhesive, but other than that, it was pretty easy, guys. Alright guys, this is pretty much gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.